Hello, welcome and welcome back to the channel. I'm Melissa Ray. Makeup time. Okay, so we are testing this out, y'all. Milani Glow Hydrating Skin Tint. I picked up a few things at Ulta. The stuff that I bought at Ulta, you'll also see me use in this video, but this is the star of the show, y'all. This is the star of the show. First, I saw this at Walmart, at my local Walmart, and I was like, whoa, Milani has a new skin tint. But I didn't buy it. I don't know why. I wanted to though, but I stopped myself like, no, girl, don't get it. So like the following week, I went back to Walmart and I went looking for the actual skin tint and it wasn't there. Dang, I should have picked it up when I saw it last week. And I go to Walmart weekly, you know. So every time I went to Walmart, I went looking and I could not find it. So I ended up getting it at Ulta. This is in the color 410 Dark to Deep. So it says here it has coconut water, has 29% squalene. It says an ultra luminous skin tint. Sheer to light coverage, melted to the skin for a naturally dewy glow. So this is my thing, y'all. Skin tints are like my zhuzh. Like I've been feeling, you know, to put on skin tint because it's so incredibly hot now and I do not feel like putting on heavy foundation. So I just want to go in with a skin tint, basically. But let's just see what this skin tint is giving. Like, that's what this video is all about, to see if this is a no or if it's a go. Okay, so they have 4 different shades and that's it. So they have fair to light, light to medium, medium to dark, and dark to deep. And I have the darkest shade, dark to deep. I'm gonna go in with a sponge and apply it to my face. So I'm gonna put some on the sponge. Oh, this might be too much. All right, let's see. Ooh. Okay, I don't want to put too much. Hold on. Okay, let's go ahead and blend this out. It smells like it has a very light scent. It smells like it's I don't know. Can't describe the scent really, but it's very light. Okay, so this is one side blended out. I like it. So it is light coverage all day. So if you have any blemishes, dark spots, things of that nature, you might want to color correct first and then go in with the skin tint. Or if it doesn't bother you, your blemishes, you don't have to color correct. Like I have certain blemishes and the only thing I really am concerned about is my dark circles, but any other blemish that I have, I don't really care. Now from my understanding, you can make your own skin tint. As long as you have foundation and a moisturizer, I learned this little trick. You can mix your favorite foundation along with your favorite moisturizer, mix it up, and then apply it to your face. And that's a skin tint, y'all. So it doesn't really look like I have anything on, which is dope. I like that. I'm gonna go in with concealer, of course, because you know my concern is my dark circles. So I'm actually gonna go in with this concealer by Tarte. This is the Shape Tape Glow Wand. It's light coverage, so to me it works perfect with this light to medium skin tint I'm wearing. So, and I already have a video on my channel that I recently talked about this product, this concealer, so I'll link that video for you guys if you haven't seen it already. Okay, so I went ahead and you know, I put a little bit of powder on just so I'm not looking too shiny, because both the skin tint and the concealer will have your face looking a bit shiny. So I put a little bit of powder, and yeah, so let's go ahead and put on some eyeshadow. So I'm going into this Morphe palette. It's called the 39L Hit the Lights. And so this is not a recent buy from Ulta, just so you know. But yeah, I'm just going in with this palette. It has a whole bunch of colors. And I mentioned this before, but when it comes to palettes, when it has a whole bunch of colors like this, it's a little overwhelming for me. So I might just go in with 2 colors and that's it. Because it's just so much, you know? I'm gonna do something a little daring as far as the look goes. Might as well. I should bring you in just a little bit closer. Should I? Or just a little bit. Okay, that's it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with a color that I would never think to put on my lid, like ever. But it's this blue color right here. Like, it's a light blue, okay? It's not even a dark blue. Like, I can rock with a dark blue, but we're going light blue. Okay, let's just see how this goes. This might be a fail, who knows, but hey, sometimes you gotta take risks in life. Okay, you know, I'm gonna have to lay some powder down because I have a feeling there might be some fallout. Oh my God. All right, let's go. Well, this is different. Yeah, this is real different for me. This color blue on my leg, like it's real different. Right next to it is this iridescent color that has like a blue shift to it, but you'll see it on my leg. But when I swatched it, it just gave off like a bluish type color, but it has glitter to it. So let's hope that it works out once I put it on my lid. Let me get another brush. Okay, let's go with this. Yeah, it definitely looks blue. In the pan it looks white, but I did tell you that because it has a shift of blue in it on top of the blue and the background, you really see that blue shift. So I'm done with the eyeshadow. Only put on 2 colors, and it's a bit much, but it doesn't look bad. So I did end up getting this highlighter. This is from Kylie Jenner. Did I get this for free? Yeah, I did. Okay, because I was thinking to myself, why did I buy this? But I didn't. It came free with the stuff that I ordered. So yeah, that's the only reason why I have this. Okay, so you know what? I ended up getting the concealer, the Kylie Jenner concealer, which I kind of like. I like the concealer. And so with the concealer, I was able to get this for free. So this is what the color looks like. I don't really see it because of my lights, but the name of it is called Cheers, Darling. So let's see. I mean, this is like a fat brush that I'm using. Usually, let me use my fan brush instead. Let's see. Okay, this is a little better. Okay, I don't want to use too much. I mean, you can see it a little bit, and yeah, that's enough. I did purchase some lipsticks as well. I bought 2 MAC lipsticks, and then this LA Girl matte lipstick. So let me see. I'm gonna swatch all three and then see which one to go with. Okay, so the LA Girl is like pink in color. I don't know if I want pink today. Now these is from the Luster line, and I have the color, let's see. This from MAC Cosmetics. I'm sure you can tell by the bullet. This in the color Sea Share, and this is in the color, let me see, Capricious. I guess that's how you say it. So this is Sea Share. And I want to go in with this color actually. Yeah, let's go in with this color, Sea Share. I gotta put a lip liner on first though. Might as well go in with the MAC lip pencil in the color Chestnut. All right, Sea Share. I like it. Okay. All right. So this is the final look, guys. Okay, so let's talk about Milani. I really like this skin tint. It's perfect. Even though I went in with a full face, a complete full makeup look, you don't have to. With this skin tint, you do not have to do that. You could just simply apply it. Maybe use a little bit of concealer on areas you might be concerned with. So with me, what I would do is I would probably go in with some type of concealer to cover up, you know, the dark circles around my eyes, and then, you know, put this on and I'm good. I definitely recommend this product. I have my skin very hydrating, as you can see. You can see when I applied it how my skin was looking. Like it looked natural, it looked hydrated, very affordable. Milani products are affordable. And I like Milani products because I know I mentioned this before, like I love their packaging, and I really like their concealers, their foundations, their blushes. Like there's so many things that I like from the brand. So this is another product that I like from them. Okay guys, I want to thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. That's very important, guys. And hopefully I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.